Joining us now, Fox News legal analyst Lise Wheel and attorney Paul Millus, former special assistant U.S. attorney for the Eastern District of New York. Great to have you both with us. Let's go to Aaron Hernandez. His trial now, Lise, in 6 days. They just completed. We're told they just walked out of the courtroom, the jury. 35 hours of deliberation.
The general consensus is that when you're prosecuting, you want a quicker verdict, and I think we've got a problem here. I think there might be a hung jury on this one. I know that the evidence is complex, but I tell you, because it is circumstantial, because it is Aaron Hernandez, and it is obviously a serious, serious matter. You never know what's happening in the jury room, though, but obviously asking questions or not asking questions could have import. It's just we just don't know what it is.
Do you think there's going to be a conviction?
No.
All right. Let's turn to Buy a Badge, and this is the program in which 73-year-old Robert Bates, an insurance executive who was acting as a reserve deputy, shot and killed a man fleeing a crime scene. Your thoughts, Paul?
My thoughts is that when a department puts on someone on the job who's carrying a weapon, can kill somebody, and a stun gun, which could obviously hurt someone, I don't care how much training they said he had. They do not train him in the same way that they train a 25-year-old who joins the force. I think it's incredible that they would do that. They've opened themselves up to civil liability at a minimum under various theories of constitutional law. You can't do that.
And the sheriff's department is liable here, are they not?
The municipality is liable ultimately, and the sheriff's department is an agency of that municipality.
But there's immunity, though, that'll come into play from a criminal standpoint. So.
Potentially, but when we're talking about criminal, obviously you have the officer, or if you can call him that, who did this, and they're going to go through this and determine.
Civil liability.
Well, there's no question on a particular case called Monell from the Supreme Court. There's going to be civil liability. There's going to be a failure to train charge and a deprivation of this individual's constitutional rights under the Fourth Amendment. There's no question about that.
Let's quickly turn to Suge Knight.
Yeah.
And it's a problem for the prosecution here. A person that he ran over, this guy is refusing to testify against him.
If you don't have a witness, what that video shows is that someone's driving. It's true. Someone driving, running over someone. He's going to say, Suge Knight, that his life was threatened. He was in fear of his life, and these people aren't helping in any way.
You didn't need to back over them.
No. Paul Millus and Lise Wheel.